Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Yesterday, the US bond yields advanced, which in turn saw across the board the markets take an immense tumble against its rival, the US dollar. As the market now looks to the US dollar as it takes a breather, some recoveries have come through in terms of the euro and also with the Australian dollar. At present, you can see the market is attempting to stage further advances as the Australian dollar rebounds off the low of yesterday, which was around 74.45, also seen as a support in the short term, with the key level underneath at 73.75. Looking to the upside, the market holds the resistance from 75.60.65 and towards 76 cents. I am still a seller. And keep an eye on this 60-day moving average as it's dropping down, as you can see here. And I do expect to see possibly hedge funds come back into the market and sell around the 76.60. For the market to turn further bearish, we would at first need to see the gold continue to its decline. And secondly, we need to see iron ore break down. At the moment, it's holding to close highs around $69 a ton. Until those markets show further weakness, then we could see a possible uptest. So keep an eye if you're looking to short the market above 75.60.65. The euro took out the 118 support yesterday and headed lower towards the region of 117.65, I believe. Just going to check that. 117.75. On the flip side of that, though, is that the US dollar gathered further momentum and posted a new high this morning of 93.49. Previous was 93.33. As the dollar takes a slight breather, the market may take this opportunity to try and gather some momentum and see the euro push towards the resistance seen at 118.55 to 119.15. Market's got a lot of work to do to the upside to turn this bearish case around. And at present, since the break of 118, I'm looking down towards a target of 116.60, which would need to see the euro break above 119.15 to negate this. The dollar yen still posting fresh gains, but not as strong as previously seen. Nevertheless, the market took out that 109.70 level and now looks towards the region of 110.55. Above there could see further gains to 111.25. Dips on the day seen from 109.60.70. The pound took another challenge to the downside here, and as you can see, the support is clearly building from around 134.45.65. At present, technicals are clearly persuasive to see a further rise in price. If so, then we could see a short squeeze in the pound and look towards 136 as a potential target, with the immediate target coming in at around 135.35.45. Support, as long as we maintain above the 134.45.65, then we could see this short squeeze. Well, we've got a long-legged doji posted in the gold after it tumbled further overnight and to a low of 1,286. From the low, the market is currently coasting around 1,290. What is interesting to see is in the press this morning, President Trump appeared less certain as to whether the planned summit with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un can still take place. Earlier in the week, North Korea cancelled a planned meeting with South Korea, claiming joint US and South Korean military drills was a provocation and preparation for an invasion. So might be seeing a little bit bit of geopolitical risk coming back into the market, and if so, could see a rebound to 1,300, and clearing that level would reverse this negative pattern that came through in the last 24 hours. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market is looking back towards $72 a barrel. After it recently rejected there, the market is questionable whether it will sustain. At this point, I believe the market is still toppy towards this region, and therefore could see a possible turnaround from 72 and look back towards the region of $67 a barrel. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.